Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving questions on quantitative aptitude topic numbers. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. These videos are useful for all types of exams like Bank PO, Railways, SSC, CGL and many more. These videos are useful for many job interviews and all types of entrance exams like GRE, SAT, ACT, CAT, GMAT, etc. We are solving questions on numbers based on divisibility rule. Our question is a 6-digit number 2476AB is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. Find value of a square plus b square. The given options are option A 13, option B 20, option C 25, option D 29. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given number is 2476AB. We use the 3 digit rule and make two pairs of it, 6AB and 247. Now we take the difference of these two pairs, and as the number is divisible by 7 and 11, then it must be divisible by 77. 6AB minus 247. Now if we subtract 2 from 6, we will get 4. And if 47 is subtracted from AB, then we may need a digit from 6. So the number left will be 5. And if we subtract 2 from 5, we get 3. So we have to find a number which is multiple of 77 and it is close to 400, in between 350 to 450. Then 77 multiplied by 5 is equal to 385, and 77 multiplied by 6 is equal to 462. And if we take 462, then 462 plus 247 will be 700 something, but the number is 6AB, which is 600 something. So we'll have to take 385. Now we add 247 and 385 to get the exact digits of 6AB. 7 plus 5 is 12. We write 2 and carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 4 is 13. We carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. It means that 6AB is 632, giving the value of A equal to 3 and B equal to 2. So the number becomes 247632. Now we have to check this number is divisible by 3 or not. We take the sum of the digits. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 3 is 22 plus 2 is 24. And 24 is divisible by 3. So the number is also divisible by 3. Now we have to find the value of A square plus B square. As we know that A equal to 3. So this is 3 square plus B is 2. So it is 2 square. And 3 square is 9. And 2 square is 4. This gives the value of 9 plus 4 equal to 13. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 13. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is a 5-digit number 475AB is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. Find value of 6A minus 5B. The given options are option A 10, option B 12, option C 18, option D 16. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given number is 475AB. Now we use 3-digit rule, and for that we add 0 before 47. So we have made the 3-digit pair 047 and 5AB. As the number is divisible by 7 and 11, so it must be divisible by 77. And on the basis of 3-digit rule, the difference of these two pairs 047 and 5AB must be divisible by 77. If we subtract 47 from 5AB, the number must be in the range of 450 to 550. So we will find a number which is in that range and multiple of 77. 77 multiplied by 6 is 462, and 77 multiplied by 7 is equal to 539. Now we take this difference equal to 539. 9 plus 7 is 16, we carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 5 plus 0 is 5. So the number becomes 47586. Now we will check the divisibility of this number by 3. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. And 30 is divisible by 3. And from here we can find the value of A and B. So A comes out to be 8 and B comes out to be 6, as 5AB is 586. So A equal to 8 and B equal to 6. Now we can easily find the value of 6A minus 5B. So 6 times A equal to 8 minus 5 times B is 5 into 6. This is 6 times 8 is 48, minus 5 times 6 is 30, and 48 minus 30 is 18. So the value of 6A minus 5B equal to 18. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 18. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is a 5-digit number 586AB is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. Find value of A square plus B square. The given options are option A 68, option B 45, option C 41, option D 65. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given number is 586AB. This number is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. If it is divisible by 7 and 11, then it must be divisible by 77. For finding the divisibility by 77, we use 3-digit rule and we make the pair of 3 digits, and one pair is 6AB using 3 digits and the other number is 58, which has not 3 digits, so we add one 0 before 5. So the second pair becomes 058. Now we'll find the difference of these two, and that must be divisible by 77. Now the difference of 6AB and 058 must be divisible by 77. So we have to find a number multiple of 77 which is close to 600, and that number, so 77 times 8 is 616, and 77 times 9 is 693. If we use 693, then 693 plus 58 will be more than 700, while the number is 6AB, which is 600 plus something. So we use 616. 616 plus 58 will not be above 700. It will be less than 700. So that will serve our purpose. Now 6 plus 8 is 14. We carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 0 plus 6 is 6. So 6AB becomes 674, which gives the value of A equal to 7 and B equal to 4. By using the value of A and B, the number becomes 58674. Now we will verify whether this number is also divisible by 3 or not. So we take the sum of the digits. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 7 is 26. Plus 4 is 30. So the number is divisible by 3, as 30 is divisible by 3. Now, as we have got the value of A and B, so we can easily find value of A square plus B square. So A is 7, so we take 7 square, and B is 4, so we take 4 square, and 7 square is 49, and 4 square is 16. So 49 plus 16 is equal to 65. Thus the value of A square plus B square is 65, and from the given options our answer is option D, 65. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions and the 3 digit rule. We go to the next question. Our question is, a 5-digit number 237AB is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. Find the value of 3A minus 4B. The given options are option A 24, option B 21, option C 15, option D 18. The given number is 237AB. This number is divisible by 3, 7 and 11. And if it is divisible by 7 and 11, so it must be divisible by 77. And to use that property, we use the 3 digit difference rule. So we make the pair of the numbers 7AB as 3 digits and 23 was 2 digits, so we added 1 0. So 023 is the other pair of 3 digits. Now we will take the difference of these two, and if that difference is divisible by 77, then the number 237AB is divisible by 77, and from there we can find the value of AB. If we take this difference 7AB minus 023, then whatever the difference is, that must be divisible by 77. So we will find a number which is close to 700 and multiple of 77. So 77 times 9 is equal to 693. and 77 times 10 is equal to 770. If we take 770, the difference, then 770 plus 23 is 793. This will give the value of A equal to 9 and B equal to 3. So the number becomes 23793. Now we'll check whether this number is divisible by 3, and we take the sum of the digits. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 7 is 12, plus 9 is 21, plus 3 is 24. So this number is divisible by 3, as 24 is divisible by 3. We also check the other number, 693. 7ab minus 23, and if we take their difference as 693, then 3 plus 3 is 6, and 9 plus 2 is 11. We write 1 and carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then the number becomes 23716. Now we check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 7 is 12, plus 1 is 13, plus 6 is 19, and 19 is not divisible by 3. So we will accept the number 23793. This gives the value of A equal to 9 and B equal to 3. Now we can easily find the value of 3A minus 4B. So this is 3 times value of A is 9 minus 4 times value of B is 3. 9 times 3 is 27 minus 4 times 3 is 12, and 27 minus 12 is 15. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 15. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question and the 3 digit difference rule for finding the divisibility of 3, 7 and 11. We go to the next question. The given question is a 6-digit number 1274AB is divisible by 3, 7 and 13. Find the value of 3A minus 8B. The given options are option A 17, option B 19, option C 23, option D 26. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given number is 1274AB, and it is given that this number is divisible by 3, 7 and 13. If it is divisible by 7 and 13, then it must be divisible by 7 times 13, which is 91. And for finding the value of AB, we use the 3 digit difference rule. So we make the 3 digit pair. One pair is 127 and the other pair is 4AB. Now we take the difference of these two pairs, 4AB and 127. If we subtract 127 from 4AB, which is 400 some odd number, then that number must be in between 300 to 400, and that must be divisible by 91. So we take a number which is multiple of 91 and in between 300 and 400. So 91 times 4 is equal to 364, and if this is that difference, then we write 364 and we add 364 to 127. 7 plus 4 is 11. We write 1. We carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. From here we get the value of A equal to 9 and B equal to 1. And our number becomes 127491. Now this number is divisible by 7 and 13, and we have to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So we take the sum of the digits of the number 127491, and that sum is 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 7 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 9 is 23, plus 1 is 24, and 24 is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. As we have got the value of a and b, so we can easily find the value of 3a minus 8b, and this is equal to 3 times 9, as the value of a is 9, minus 8 times 1, as the value of b is 1, and this is equal to 9 times 3 is 27, minus 8 times 1 is 8, and this is equal to 27 minus 8 is 19. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 19. I hope you have understood the method of solving this question as well as the concept of 3 digit difference rule. We go to the next question. Our question is, a 5-digit number 376AB is divisible by 7, 9 and 13. Find the value of a square minus b square. The given options are option A 29, option B 37, option C 33, option D 41. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given number is 376AB, and it is also given that this number is divisible by 7, 9 and 13. And if it is divisible by these numbers, then we can apply 3 digit difference rule for finding the value of a and b. So we make the pair of 3 digits 6AB, and we add 0 before 3 on the left side to make it 3 digit number. Now we take the difference of 6AB and 037, and this difference must be divisible by 7 and 13 or multiple of 7 and 13, that is 91. So we subtract 37 from 6AB, then we must get some number above 600 and multiple of 91. So 91 times 7 is 637, and we put this as difference of 6AB and 37. Then the given number we can easily find by adding 637 and 37, that will be 674. 7 plus 7 is 14, we write 4 and carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7, and 6 plus 0 is 6. And with this, the number becomes 37674. Now we have to verify whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. So we add the digits, and if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, then this number is also divisible by 9. So we take the sum of the digits. 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 7 is 23, plus 4 is 27, and 27 is divisible by 9. So the number 37674 is divisible by 9. And from here we can find the value of a equal to 7 and b equal to 4. As we have the values of a and b, we can easily find the value of a square minus b square. A is 7, so a square is 7 square, minus b is 4, So b square is 4 square, and this is equal to 7 square is 49 minus 4 square is 16, and 49 minus 16 is 33. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 33. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question and also learned the 3 digit difference rule to find the divisibility of numbers 7 and 13. We go to the next question. Our question is, a number is formed by writing 55555 for 50 times is divided by 37. Find the remainder. The given options are option A 21, option B 29, option C 18, option D 24. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given number is 555 written for 50 times. If a number is formed by any digit repeated for 6 times, like 555 and 555, this is 6 times, then such numbers are divisible by 3, 7, 11, 13 and 37. So this number is divisible by 37, and if the number formed by writing a digit for 6 times and multiple of 6 times, that is 12 times, 18 times, 24 times and so on, then that number is also divisible by 3, 7, 11, 13 and 37. So if this number is written for 48 times, then this will be divisible by 37. Then what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 55, as 48 times, then 2 times is 55, which is 55. And if we divide this by 37, then 37 times 1 is 37, and when 37 is subtracted from 55, we get remainder as 18. Then our remainder will be 18, and from the given options, our answer is option C, 18. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Here the concept involved is, if any digit is repeated for 6 times and the number so formed is divisible by 3, 7, 11, 13 and 37, and if these numbers are made by repeating the digits in multiple of 6, that is 6 times, 12 times, 18 times, 24 times and so on, then those all numbers are divisible by 3, 7, 11, 13 and 37. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is the minimum number of times the digit 4 be written to form a number which is divisible by 7 and 9? The given options are option A 12 times, option B 15 times, option C 21 times, option D 18 times. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. If 444 is written for 6 times, then this number is divisible by 7, 11, 13 and 37. But if this number is not written in multiple of 6 times, that is for 6 times, for 12 times, for 18 times, for 24 times, then this number will not be divisible by 7 or 11 or 13 or 37. But we are concerned only for 7 and 9. Now if it is written for 6 times, then the sum of digit is 24, and that number 24 is not divisible by 9. Now if we make it 12 times, if 4 is written for 12 times, then it will be divisible by 7, and 12 times 4 is 48, and 48 is not divisible by 9. So next minimum number of times the 4 be written is 18 times, so that it will be divisible by 7, and 4 multiplied by 18 is 72. Then the sum of digits will be 72, and 72 is divisible by 9. Hence the minimum number of times we should write 4 is 18 times to make the number divisible by 7 as well as 9. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 18 times. Now I want to give you some extra knowledge so that if some questions come in any competitive exam, you can solve it. So first I erase this. If the question is not for 4 but if it is for 1, then how many times 1 be written to make it divisible by 7 and 9? Then it should also be written for 18 times. As for sum of the digits will be 18, so it will be divisible by 7 and 9. For making it divisible by 7, it should be always multiple of 6 times. Now if it is 2, 2, 2, then this should be written for again 18 times to make it divisible by 7 and 9. If it is 3, 3, 3, then this should be written for 6 times, as the sum of the digits will be 18 for 6 times, and it will be divisible by 7 as well as by 9. For 4, 4, 4, I have already given the solution. It should be written for 18 times. 5, 5, 5 is again 18 times, and 6, 6, 6 is written for 6 times to make it divisible by 7 and 9. And 7, 7, 7 is again 18 times. 8, 8, 8 is also 18 times, and 9, 9, 9 is 6 times. This way, if some question comes other than 4, you can have the knowledge. This I have written for extra knowledge of you, so that you can solve any question based on such numbers. We go to the next question. Our question is the number 333333 is exactly divisible by how many of the given numbers? And the numbers are 14, 16, 18, 22, 26, 42, 52, 63, 77, 91, 143, 182. And the given options are option A 4, option B 9, option C 10, option D 8. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. As the number 333333 is written for 6 times, a 6-digit number, repeating the number 3 for 6 times, and all such numbers are divisible by 3, 7, 11, 13 and 37. But this number is containing all 3's, so it is also divisible by 9. Now we can find the multiples of these numbers, or by numbers which we get the multiplication of these numbers, all those numbers will be dividing the given number 333333. So first number is 14, as the given number is odd number and 14 is even number. So this will not be divisible by 16 for the same reason. It is not divisible by 18. It will not be divisible by 22. It will not be divisible by 26. It will not be divisible by 42. Again, it will not be divisible by 52. The next number divisible is 63, and this number will be divisible by 63 because 63 is product of 7 and 9, and the given number is divisible by 3, 7, 11, 13, 37 and 9. So it is 9 times 7 is 63. Then 77. It is divisible by 77 because it is divisible by 7 and 11. The next number is 91. It is divisible by 91 because it is divisible by 7 and 13, and 13 times 7 is 91. The next number is 143, and 143 is divisible by 11 and 13, as 11 times 13 is 143. So this number is divisible by 143, and this number will not be divisible by 182 because the number is odd and 182 is even number. So 182 cannot divide the given number 333333. So these are 4 numbers out of the given numbers for which the given number is divisible by these numbers. Therefore, our answer is option A, 4. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. For extra knowledge, if this question had been for number 444444, then how many out of this will be dividing this number 444444? 14, as it is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now the extra number which is divisible by 2, then it is divisible by 3, 7, 11, 13, 37, and this number is not divisible by 9. Now we have got the 2, 3, 7, 11, 13 and 37. So the first number is 14. It is multiple of 14 is 2 multiplied by 7. So it is divisible by 14. The next number is 16. This number is not divisible by 16 as we do not have any 2 for 2 times or 8 or any other number, and for divisibility by 16 it must be divisible by at least 8. So the last 3 digits are not divisible by 8, as 8 times 5 is 40 and remainder is 4, and again 44 is not divisible by 8, so it is not divisible by 16. Then next number is 18. It is not divisible by 18 because it is not divisible by 9, so it is not divisible by 18. Now the next number is 22. 22 is multiple of 2 and 11, and as the given number is divisible by 2 as well as by 11, so it is divisible by 22. The next number is 26, and this number is divisible by 2 as well as by 13, so it is divisible by 26. The next number is 42. It is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, and it is divisible by 7, and 2 times 3 times 7 is 42, so it is divisible by 42. As the given number is divisible by 4, because all the digits are 4, 4, 4, 4 for 6 times. So it is divisible by 4. So it is divisible by 52 as 13 times 4 is 52. The next number is 63. This number is not divisible by 63 as it is not divisible by 9. So it cannot be divisible by 63. This number is divisible by 77 as this is divisible by 7 as well as 11, and 11 times 7 is 77. So the given number is divisible by 77. This is also divisible by 91 as 91 is product of 7 and 13, and the given number is divisible by 7 as well as 13. This number is divisible by 143 as the factor of 143 are 11 and 13, and the given number is divisible by 11 as well as 13. So it is divisible by 143. The factor of 182 are 2, 7 and 13, and the given number is divisible by 2 as well as 7 as well as 13. So it is divisible by 182. Thus the given number is divisible by 9 numbers out of the given set of numbers. If the number had been 666666, then how many of the given numbers would have divided this number? As this number is divisible by 9, so extra number out of these 2, 3, 7, 11, 13, 37, there will be one more extra number, that will be 9. So the given number will be divisible by 63, one extra number 63. So the all 9 numbers which were dividing 444, 444, one extra number 63 will be added to it. So there will be 10 numbers which will divide the number 666, 666. This I have solved it for extra knowledge of you. Hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Here completes this video. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics to become expert in solving the questions of quantitative aptitude. Please do lot of practice from different books so that you can be confident for all competitive exams. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification. Thanks for watching.